Tutorial on how to apply for grade sheet verification. Log in through student portal and enter your enrollment number, password, captcha code to submit. If you have any query regarding login, watch the video on how to log into student portal mentioned in the description box. Click on the certificate request from the menu. Click on the link in the red color for the new certificate request. Read all the instructions carefully. Scroll down and enter your residential address with city, state and pin code to submit. Select Ahmedabad zone. Select grade sheet verification from the drop-down of the type of certificate. Enter the total number of grade sheets you want to verify. Amount will be calculated as per the number of copies. Upload ID proof. Upload scanned copy of the grade sheet. Number of copy and number of grade sheets uploaded in a PDF must match. Example: if you have added 3 as number of grade sheets, then upload single PDF which consists of 3 pages of your 3 grade sheets. Sample of the scanned copy of the grade sheet is in the next tab for your reference. The scanned copy of the grade sheet must be clear with all the borders visible. There should be no background. Pay fees. You can view your application status on the portal. Change the documents while the status is still pending. For any query, kindly contact us on student_support@gtu.edu.in. For more updates, kindly subscribe to GTU's official YouTube channel. Thank you.